Love is a complex and multifaceted emotion that can be difficult to define and understand. It's not uncommon for individuals to believe they are in love, only to later realize that what they experienced may not have been genuine love after all. In this article, we will explore 8 signs that may indicate you were never truly in love. Understanding these signs can help you gain clarity on your emotions and relationships, paving the way for healthier and more authentic connections in the future. One of the fundamental hallmarks of love is a deep emotional connection with another person. If you find that your relationship lacked emotional depth and was more superficial in nature, it's possible you were not in love. True love involves a profound emotional bond, where you genuinely care about the well-being and happiness of your partner, and your emotional connection transcends the surface level. Love involves selflessness and a willingness to prioritize the needs and desires of your partner. If your relationship was primarily characterized by selfishness, where your wants and needs consistently took precedence over your partner's, it suggests that true love was absent. Love involves compromise and a genuine desire to make your partner's life better, even if it requires sacrificing your own desires at times. Empathy and understanding are crucial components of love. If you find that you are unable to truly understand and empathize with your partner's feelings, experiences, and struggles, it may indicate a lack of love. Love involves being present for your partner, actively listening to them, and trying to comprehend their perspective, even when it differs from your own. Love involves forgiveness and the ability to move past mistakes and conflicts. If you held on to grudges, were unable to forgive, or found it challenging to let go of past issues, it suggests that your relationship may not have been grounded in love. Love requires understanding, patience, and the capacity to forgive, promoting growth and strengthening the bond between individuals. A key aspect of love is a genuine interest in your partner's life, dreams, aspirations, and achievements. If you find yourself disinterested or uninvolved in your partner's world, it may indicate that the connection was not rooted in love. Love entails celebrating your partner's successes, being there during their challenges, and actively participating in their journey through life. While physical attraction is important in a romantic relationship, love goes beyond mere physicality. If your relationship was primarily based on physical attraction without a strong emotional connection or intellectual compatibility, it suggests that you were infatuated rather than in love. Love encompasses a deep emotional and intellectual bond that enriches the relationship on a profound level. Healthy communication is vital for any successful relationship. If you found that communication was lacking or non-existent in your relationship, and you or your partner were not open about your thoughts, feelings, and concerns, it's a sign that the relationship may not have been built on love. Love thrives on open, honest, and respectful communication, allowing partners to understand each other better and grow together. A hallmark of love is personal growth and development within the context of the relationship. If you felt stagnant, unchallenged, or hindered in your personal growth during the relationship, it may suggest that love was not at its core. Love encourages growth, inspires you to become the best version of yourself, and supports you in achieving your goals and aspirations. Recognizing the signs that you were never truly in love can be a difficult realization, but it's a crucial step toward understanding yourself and your relationships better. Love is a beautiful and powerful emotion that requires genuine care, empathy, selflessness, and emotional depth. If you identify with any of the signs discussed in this article, consider reflecting on your past relationships to gain insights that can help you build more authentic and fulfilling connections in the future. Love should be nurturing, enriching, and based on a deep and genuine connection that stands the test of time.